All right, going to be taking a look at stock ticker symbol BLTA. Well, this one's been making some moves here lately. Again, shout out to everybody over on the Investors Hangout BLTA board for making it possible. You guys have a solid group over there, and as always, we appreciate everything that you guys do, especially using our forum as your main place to talk about your favorite stocks. So getting into this right now, 0017, what are you guys going to be looking for right here? It really set up nicely, guys. It really did. Bounced off of yesterday. Really nice bounce off the moving averages. You guys went from a low of 0015 hitting a high of 0020, and you guys closed at 0020. Then today, well, you guys couldn't keep that buying pressure up to get you past that resistance level right now that you're faced with. That resistance level right now is at 0020, and you're going to have major support down here, in my personal opinion, at the 0015. Just a little bit more buying pressure to put you through that. That being said, you're going to probably have another level up at 0025. So you're going to need to get it through this level first and then focus on 002025. I'll let Joe.
Yeah, I was just pulling it up. Yeah, so on February 3rd, there was a last press release. It was a Baltia update. And that was Baltia Air Lines on February 3rd announced that progress continues with the company's aircraft carrier certification process as well as restructuring. Baltia's executive management team is soaring back into the exciting world of air carrier certification. After lengthy negotiations, Baltia and the Federal Aviation Administration, the FAA, have entered into a settlement agreement which authorizes Baltia to re-engage in the air carrier certification process. Pursuant to the terms of the agreement, the FAA has agreed to withdraw its proposed denial of Baltia's certification, and Baltia has agreed to withdraw its appeal and request for a hearing. So Baltia's president, Mr. Anthony Coloris, commented, "I am very pleased with the FAA's decision to allow us to restart the certification process, and we are eager to get under the way while we are restructuring the company. Although this has been an extremely challenging time for the company, it has given us the opportunity to stand back and take a look at our organization, assess our strength, and address our weaknesses throughout this review and negotiation period with the FAA, and underwent substantial changes that we felt contributed to the FAA's confidence in our organization." So I mean, I could keep reading this, but it's more of like it reaches a point where I can't keep reading, I guess. Like because we've been reading freaking for the last 4 hours. All right, so these guys right here, I mean, from my understanding, I'm just gonna go on my understanding. Obviously, they got denied with their last plane. They went ahead and leased like a brand new plane, and now obviously they reached an agreement with the FAA to pretty much just stop within that process, like where they left off. So now that's basically where they're at. Where I think it's back to the certification process, because I mean they just leased on December 16th. Baltia, their press release was Baltia signs letter of intent to lease aircraft. So I'm guessing that aircraft has been leased, and now they're going to go get it certified, and then onwards and upwards. So right here, let's see. Shareholder approval of the community. All right, so right here, as stated, the company's November press release, the board of directors intends to hold an annual shareholders meeting on or around Wednesday, April 19th, 2017, and with shareholders' approval, the company intends to change its name, execute a reverse stock split, and trade under a new ticker symbol. The time, venue, and agenda of such meeting will be communicated to all shareholders of record in compliance with set guidelines. So I mean that's coming up on April 19th, and I mean they just have a lot of stuff going on. Hopefully we'll just see things, take fruition. If you're basically looking for any more information on the company, obviously just go to the Investors Hangout, click on in the search bar, put BLTA, hit go. It'll bring you to the actual board right there. You'll see basically all the like-minded investors that are actually invested into the company, basically posting their opinions and whatnot. And you can read the company profile, the recent news, filings, financials, buy rating, and have at it.
There you go. All right, so over on the chart one more time, like I said, watch 0019, watch for buying to pick up and stay steady. Resistance at 00225, large support at 00161514. As always, if you're watching the stock, make sure you click subscribe right now to stay updated with the hottest stocks in the market. And if you have a hot stock that you'd like to share, for us to go over, let us know over at investorshangout.com/live.